Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Litecoin from Kraken to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking to move your assets securely, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. With the ever-evolving crypto landscape, I'll make sure we're covering the latest updates for 2025 to keep everything smooth and safe. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a Kraken account with some Litecoin in it and Trust Wallet installed on your device. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. Litecoin typically uses the Lieutenant Kernel network, so confirm that in both apps to avoid any issues. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Funding section. Look for the Withdrawal option. It's usually under the Assets tab. Step 2. Select Litecoin from your list of assets. You'll see a withdrawal form pop up. Here, enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees. In 2025, Kraken might have updated their fee structure, so check that beforehand. Step 3. Now, you need your Trust Wallet address. Open Trust Wallet, go to the Litecoin wallet, and copy the receiving address. Paste this carefully into the Kraken withdrawal form. Double-check for accuracy because crypto addresses are case-sensitive and errors can lead to lost funds. Step 4. Review all the details, including the network, amount, and address. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email or two-factor authentication for security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Trust Wallet and refresh your Litecoin balance to see the funds arrive. A quick tip. Always use a secure internet connection and enable all security features on both platforms. In 2025, with more advanced threats, it's crucial to stay vigilant. There you have it. That's how you transfer Litecoin from Kraken to Trust Wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.